Thank you so much. Well, new safety concerns surrounding Boeing and some of its popular 737 airplanes. The FAA is expected to convene a review board to make recommendations on a serious issue involving the rudder system on some of its aircrafts. Tom Costello has more details.
This morning, another black eye for Boeing. The NTSB issuing an urgent safety warning over a key part in some of its embattled 737 MAX jets. Just the latest blow to one of the world's biggest aviation companies, which has faced a series of setbacks this year, including an ongoing strike and that door plug blowout in January. The new issue regards the rudder control system on some 737 MAX and NG aircraft. First discovered in February when United pilots reported rudder pedals on their MAX 8 became stuck in neutral as they landed at Newark International. In that incident, the plane landed safely.
The rudder is that vertical fin on the tail of the airplane that pilots use sometimes whenever they need to counter a stiff crosswind or if there's an engine failure. It's not used all the time, but it's there for a reason, and that's for potential emergencies or maneuvering ability.
NTSB investigators say testing determined a sealed bearing was incorrectly assembled during production, and that Collins Aerospace, which manufactures that part, notified Boeing that more than 350 had been delivered to Boeing since 2017 and were affected. In a statement, Boeing says last month it informed affected 737 operators, airlines, of the potential problem, adding they're working with a supplier to address it. United Airlines is the only U.S. carrier that had the component in its planes and says they've already been replaced. Boeing has faced questions about safety and quality control since two overseas crashes involving the MAX 8 in 2018 and 2019 killed 346 people. Just this week, the FAA chief on Capitol Hill discussing oversight of Boeing.
And we intend to maintain this level of oversight indefinitely, certainly till we see the culture change and SMS deployment that is expected.
As lawmakers on both sides of the aisle have expressed outrage and concern about Boeing.
Boeing has a leadership problem.
It is a safety culture that is broken.
Next on